وَالْأَرْضَ بَعْدَ ذَلِكَ دَحَاهَا, and the earth thereafter, He made it smooth. Now, the word daha is a unique word, very rarely, maybe not even elsewhere used in the Quran, except here. And what does it mean? Daha actually means, I'll skip the Arabic etymology, just tell you what it means. It's actually used for when an ostrich scrapes the ground and makes the soil smooth so it can put its egg there. Because it doesn't bury its egg entirely, it just makes the ground kind of smooth, and so you can put it there, like in a concave shape. And that's why that place is called a madha. And from it, daha is also used for an egg, because it's the place of but it's not literally the egg, actually. That's a bayd. But daha is the place where the egg is placed. So again, people who are very obsessed with showing a correlation between Islam and science, they looked at this ayah and said, aha! Allah made the earth egg-like, and therefore the earth is oval and it's not a perfect sphere. And the proof of that is in the Quran, وَالْأَرْضَ بَعْدَ ذَلِكَ دَحَاهَا. Except the one problem with that is the verb daha means to remove unevenness and to make room for an egg. It doesn't mean He made it into an egg. That's not how the verb was ever used. So there's this huge jump made because the root somewhere in there involves an ostrich egg, that we turn this into the earth is egg-like. The earth is oval, that's awesome. It doesn't have to be mentioned in the Quran though. Let's not impose on the Quran what Allah did not say Himself. And when you do that, and then other people prove otherwise, it just makes the Quran look weak, even though the only thing weak was our understanding, So we should be careful about making claims like that. And so, دَحَيْتُ الشَّيْء أَدْحَاهُ دَحْيًا بَسَطْتُهُ, to make something smooth and even. What Allah is saying is, on the earth, He removed unevenness. You saw previously, أَلَمْ نَجْعَلِ الْأَرْضَ مِهَادًا. Didn't we make the earth a comfortable bedding? Right? Allah is describing that the earth could have been a jagged surface where you can't walk. And the Arabs are actually familiar with this. There are terrains that are so difficult to walk, or difficult to, even animals don't go there. And the entire earth's surface could have been that way. But Allah made it smooth and removed the impediments on the earth so we can travel on this earth. And that's why they use the word for even construction. Like, if they're going to build a road and there are lots of pebbles on the road and stuff, they'll have bulldozers come and sweep and smooth the thing out before they build the road on top. That's actually the process of daha. That's what the word refers to. وَالْأَرْضَ بَعْدَ ذَلِكَ دَحَاهَا, meaning the land is ready for civilization, basically. And this is again going back to the idea that the great civilizations were only great civilizations because they built roads. If you don't have roads, you're not going to have civilizations, because commerce will take place only through the roads. If everything is wild territory, then commerce will not happen, and therefore growth will not take place, right? When He says, وَالْأَرْضَ بَعْدَ ذَلِكَ دَحَاهَا, He basically, almost like He's saying He made the world, for a world possible to travel by making it smooth. Why is that important? Because when those great civilizations and empires, and even the Arabs, because the routes went through Makkah, when they claim that they are at an advantageous position, Allah is saying the very fact that you have these roads wouldn't have been possible if Allah did not smooth the earth for you to begin with. وَالْأَرْضَ بَعْدَ ذَلِكَ دَحَاهَا